Dwight and Micaela in this very important event of their life na sasabihin nila sa harapan ng kanilang pamilya at lalong-lalo na sa harapan ng Diyos na sila ay magmamahalang hanggang kamatayan.
From the way you smile to the way you look, you capture me unlike no other. From the first hello, yeah, that's all it took. And suddenly we had each other, and I won't leave you. Always be true. 1 + 1, 2 for life, over and over again. So don't ever think I need more. I've got the one to live for. No one else will do. And I'm telling you, just put your heart in my hands. I promise it won't get broken. We'll never forget this moment. Yeah, we'll stay brand new, 'cause I'll love you over and over again. Over and over again.
If you want a beautiful marriage like a diamond, start sacrificing. Start learning to love despite the shortcomings. Learning to show that kind of kindness and forgiveness despite na ikaw na lang palagi. Because we know that the person beside you is someone who struggles to fulfill the role that he is expected to be.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said that I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life.
Micaela, do you think Dwight Genesis here present, your lawful husband according to the rite of the Holy Mother of the Church?
Yes, Father.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, Father.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, Father.
We beat the odds together. Glad we didn't listen. Look at what we would be missing. They said that I bet they'll
Dwight
never.
Genesis, do you take Micaela here present, your lawful wife according to the rite of the Holy Mother of the Church?
Yes, Father.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, Father.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, Father.
You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream.
Grant us, O Lord,
To be
one
one heart
and
and one soul. From this day forward,
for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer,
for sick
in sickness and in health,
and health,
until death do
do
us
us part.
Yeah, you're still the